Some of the energy savings that you can expect from James Hardie install is just the home feeling tighter. There's not a lot of R value from the James Hardie siding itself, but compared to other sidings like vinyl, the siding is installed tight. There's no gaps, there's no J-channel that is spinning around it, everything's caulked tight. You're putting a layer of cement around your home. Prior to that, once the old siding comes off, there's a house wrap installation. And so the house wrap doesn't add any insulation value, but it better utilizes the insulation that you do have in your walls by not allowing any moving air to get to it. So this is the same premise as like a window pane, a double insulated window pane. Trapped air can be a good insulator, but if it's moving, if there's any kind of wind that's able to get into it, then that really drops the effectiveness of that space. And so wrapping the house in a house wrap and being able to seal that up really helps to better utilize insulation that is in your home.